This is the secret of why we're wandering around in Golas. Mi goy el goy. We go from one place to the next place, and from one kingdom to the next. I mean, they're still doing that in America. They're leaving New York and they go to Texas and they go to Florida. They're wandering. They don't get the message. It's time to leave, but they're still wandering. They're staying within the same malchus, but they're just wandering. Shezeu hischil mimei Avram Avinu mei'esh shenigza olav yadua yadea teda ki ger yezaracha. When HaKadosh Baruch Hu told Avram Avinu at the bris bein absarim, at the bris of the halves of the car, when he made the halves, he said to him, "Yadea teda, you better know this well. Ki ger yezaracha, your children will be foreigners. Your children are going to be foreigners in strange places. Sheramaz loyaz gam kol hagolius shel kol arba malchius." Could you imagine how Avram Avinu felt at that moment? That Shrek that he felt. Hashem showed him everything, all of the gullus and all of the places that we were. Could you imagine that? All the countries that we wound up being in. Shekol zehu said bechinas b'shvil levaron etzaitzes meyom klei klipas. But when you understand the reason why he showed Avram Avinu. He showed Avram Avinu all of those little sparks, those holinesses that are all of these places. So, Yodea Teida, Kiger Yezaracha. You better know that your children will be, but don't worry about it. They're going to all be on a mission. They're all going to be doing something. They all have their holy missions. Even though it may not seem that way. But know that there's something going on. And that's what's so beautiful about learning this. You understand no matter what's going on, Hashem knows what we're doing. He has everyone's best interest in mind. Yes?
There's also something else that struck me here, and that is that, if we stay attached to that rope and we keep going to the Tzaddik, that I can now get that we can fall, but we'll always get back up.
Yes, because you're connected.
Yeah,
because you're connected.
It's only if you let go of the rope,
then you're doomed.
But as long as if you fall and you're on the rope and
but he gave you the example of a scuba diver with his rope, with his oxygen mask. Yeah. So long as you have the oxygen mask, even they may have gotten lost down there, it don't matter. He'll be able to find his way and he'll come back. But if he disconnects that oxygen mask, he's gone.
So always with the Tzaddik, but always
yes.
Come back.
V'zeo lo yeniach leish oshkam al tigub mishichai nevi'ai al tereyu. Don't mess with my anointed ones and my nevi'im al tiro. Don't do bad things to my nevi'im. It says, Hainu kishi Yisrael yordim begolas bechlal befrat. When the Jewish people go in Golas, Bichlal, in general, as a people in Golas, or Befrat, the person goes in his own personal Golas. HaKadosh Baruch Hu doesn't let anyone bond you. He's watching you there. You shouldn't get lost over there. Hashem doesn't want you to get lost over there. As it says, even if you'll be in the land of your Oiveya. It seems like that's where we find ourselves all the time, right? Right? The people hate us wherever we go, right? Loi ma'astem. B'chol zeh b'koyach schus ha-tzaddik emes b'chol davar. And that's because of the schusim that we have of the tzaddikim in every single generation. And we said in every single generation we have a tzaddik. Shal yodam ika beira amuna. Through the tzaddikim you have the beira, you have the clarity of amuna to find Hashem in that situation that you're dealing with. No, it's Hashem. B'chol dor, b'chol yoim v'yoim. In every generation, in every single day. Whatever's transpiring in that day, find Hashem in that situation. B'zeu al tigum m'shichai nevi al tadeyu. Ki ha-tzaddikim v'cholam iskarvim aleim. Because the tzaddikim and anyone that's close to the tzaddikim. Ha-nichlolim bahem. Nikroyim neviim. They are called neviim. How do you like that? Prophets. Ki kol tzaddik zoichel lebechinas ruach nevuah shal yedei zeh ikar beirer amuna. The tzaddik gets his amuna, he gets his nevuah, the ruach hakodesh that the tzaddik gets, and then we connect it to him. We are considered the neviim. We're connecting to the tzaddik. We connect to his nevuah. Barichus. And then we can come to the idea of Chiddush Olam. You come to the idea of Yira Shemayim. Reach is Yira Shemayim. Shu Bechinas Mashiach. V'shvil zeh nikrim tzaddikim amitim Mashiach. And therefore the tzaddikim, the real tzaddikim, they're called the Mashiach. How do you like that? The tzaddikim are called the Mashiach. K'moishe kosav Rabbeinu zechreinu levracha. V'zeu al tigu Mashiach nevi sheheim ha-tzaddikim amitim bali ruach ha-kodesh shebekoichem zchurasam yesh li yisrael kiyam begolos shelo yoivdu chas v'sholem, that we shouldn't be lost chas v'sholem in the golos. Now we're going to finish the lesson. This is fascinating. Ki al yodam, through the tzaddikim, ikar beirer amuna b'chol yoim v'yoim. That's the main emunah that we clarify on a day-to-day basis. Every day when we connect ourselves to the tzaddikim. And if you're wondering why we're saying this and we talk about the tzaddikim, look in your Shemona Esrei. Every day you say 3 times, Allah tzaddikim ve'Allah chasidim. Hey, Anshe Knesset Zagdala, put it into the Shemona Esrei. Right? The highest prayer of the Tefillah. The Shemona Esrei. And we talk about one of the things we ask Hashem is, help us be connected to the tzaddikim. Mishon meviftach la tzaddikim. Right? So it's not this is not Rav Noson's idea. It's not Rabbi Nachman's idea. It's in the Shemona Esrei. So if you think there's Rabbi Nachman, he's talking about the tzaddikim. Everyone that davens talks about the tzaddikim every day. Whether you daven Ashkenaz or Sfarad, it doesn't matter. They have Allah tzaddikim. Right? Even the Ashkenaz has that. They didn't take that out, right? They didn't take that out yet. That's not even part of the some say or no. That everyone says that. Ki al yodam through the tzaddikim, ikar beirer amuna, b'chol yoim v'yoim shal yedei zeh yiyah chiddush olam shel osid, shos yita shir chodesh. And then we're going to have this new song about Torah now. V'zeu shiru l'Hashem kol haaretz basru miyoim el yoim yeshuasai. We say these words all the time, right? Shiru l'Hashem, sing to Hashem, kol haaretz, the whole earth, kol haaretz. Basru miyoim el yoim yeshuasai. Sing day by day, miyoim el yoim, one day to the next day, yeshuasai. Speak about Hashem's Yeshua, how He saved us each and every time. Hainu al yedei eskarvus l'tzaddik amitim nizker l'shir b'bechinas shiru l'Hashem kol haaretz. Through being connected to the tzaddikim, we'll have that song. Maybe that's why we're at Shirat David, right? Shirat David, right? Singing the song, right? V'oika al yedei hanefilos v'ayeshuos hatzaddikim mamshichin aleinu b'chol yoim v'yoim l'vor amuna b'chol yoim kifi hayoim v'hashah. The tzaddikim know understand the situation on a daily basis and according to the hour that you're in. Right? You get your news every time. So the tzaddikim will help you understand that's Hashem in whatever you're seeing at that moment. And that's why I believe that he's telling you, we're learning this now, and Rav Nosson wrote this for us today, because let me ask you something. When Rav Nosson was back in the town of Breslov, where Rav Nosson lived, Nemrov, Breslov, do you think things change on an hourly basis? I don't think things change there on a weekly basis.
The same way now as it did then.
So what was he writing? That Tzaddikim will tell you on a daily basis and on an hourly basis. Who is he talking to? You see that? We're reading the words, but you think about when it was written and why he wrote what he wrote, because he wrote it for us, for this generation.